Hello, I am Natalie Bailey with the Parenting Education Programs, and I just want to welcome you to Parenting 101. In this video, we're going to discuss the importance of praising your children. Why do I have to tell Jackson, good job, for picking up his Legos? He should do that anyway. I'm tired of tripping over his toys. Malcolm, age 43. Malcolm, does Jackson know what is expected of him? Are there any family rules in the home concerning toys? If not, this would be a great time to establish family rules. It's very important that Jackson knows what the expectations for his behavior is. And I'm quite sure you've told him over and over and over again that he shouldn't leave his toys on the floor. But as we know, school-age children need a lot of repetition and instructions. In addition, praising Jackson will more than likely help you get the behavior that you want to see. We have to catch our children doing good. So if you can say, great job, good job, buddy, thank you for picking up those toys, you probably will start to see the behavior that you want out of Jackson. As a reminder, there are two types of praise. There's praise for being and there's praise for doing. In this situation, I would encourage you to praise Jackson for doing something that you have been asking him to do, i.e., picking up his toys. Each time you give him a great job, he is more than likely going to continue to pick up his toys because now he knows what is expected of him. But as a reminder, great job is a lazy praise. When it comes to praise, we would like for you to be a little more specific in regards to the behavior that you are praising him for. So here's an example. Malcolm, that would be you. This is what you would say to him. Oh man, Jackson, you did a great job on picking up your toys and putting them back in the cubby. Way to go, guy, or way to go, man, however you would like to phrase it. But it has to be genuine as well, because our children are extremely smart, and they know when we're not being honest or when we don't mean what we're actually saying. So your question, do you have to praise him each time? Yes. Jackson needs all the praise that he can get, because with more praise, the higher his self-esteem, his self-worth, and his self-concept becomes. So continue to praise Jackson for all of the great behavior that he is doing, and hopefully you won't continue to trip over his toys. Thank you for viewing our video on the importance of praise. If you would like more parenting tips, please be sure to visit our website. Our website can be found by searching Parenting Education at www.fairfaxcounty.gov. Thank you.